I am so excited. I had shared about this product in a newsletter before, and I just received a box. I'll show it to you. Chef's Foundry. I'm very excited. So there is a special pan in here. I needed to find my scissors. I'm going to open the box and pull it out and show you what I've got and tell you why I like this pan so much. So it is something that I'm very excited about because I think you're going to love it too. And, good cookware sometimes is hard to find. And I will share that I had a conversation with one of the people that was behind inventing this, and I really enjoyed our conversation. I am also sad that invented it because their father was sick, but in the meantime, they created this beautiful pan, and the box has a lot in it. I'm doing this in my office instead of in the kitchen. It probably would have made more sense to do it in the kitchen. But ta-da! And then put this here. And then we have this beautiful box. Put it over to the side. Kitchen probably would have been a much better idea. A little more room there, but that's okay. I can't even tell you. And I know other people who have this as well, and they love it too. Some of my friends. So it's very well packed. I'll say that. So this is a lid, and very nice lid. Glass, which is great. These look like trivet, which is wonderful. And then in this container, we have, oh, silicone tools, always a good thing. I like having those. They're great for using on pans like this. And I know I haven't said what kind of a pan it is, but I want to wait till you see it. Oh my goodness, I forgot about this. So this is the pan. It is a ceramic pan. And I love how well made this is because it works really well. I use a lot of cast iron, and sometimes I just want something that's quick and easy and is not quite so heavy. So this has become my new favorite pan, and it's very well packed. Not gonna, quibble about that. And so I'm trying to listen up everything so I can, oh my goodness, so amazing. So much stuff in here. One of the things I like about this pan, the handle is separate. So it goes on like that. And then you have a pan. And then you can push this button right here to take the handle off, making it very easy to store. I love that part. So we have this pan, and then we also have a medium-sized pan that comes with its own handle and a lid for the medium-sized pan. This is this is like Hanukkah. Oh my goodness. It's great. So we have a lid, and the lids fit very well. I like them. Does this one go on this one? So it fits very nicely on there. Running out of room on my desk, rethinking why I chose to open it in my office. And then I also have a large pan that makes sense. So this is Chef's Foundry, and they worked really hard to create a product that was a safe substance. So it is non-toxic. One of the things I talk about this a lot, not a fan of Teflon, not a fan of non-stick surfaces. However, I have come to the conclusion that ceramic is a good option. Now, one of the things to keep in mind about ceramic, and here's the large pan, and again, it's going to come with its own handle, which is right here. So that they can go together. And then you have a very functional pan with a handle. Take off the plastic wrap. Oh, whoops. It helps if you put it right side up. So the button goes on top, not on the bottom. I was trying to put it in upside down. And then there we go. We have this beautiful pan, and then take off the handle and you're ready to go. It's super simple to store, makes it very easy. One of the things that is important to keep in mind, and part of the reason they want you to use silicone or wooden tools is because metal will scratch this. And with copper, not sorry, this is not copper. Camille, please remove that I said copper. With ceramic, you want to take care of it as well as you can. No metal, no scratching. Don't use forks on it. You use silicone tools, and they have a number of tools in this package. I'm going to put the box down so I have just a little more room here. I hope you're finding this as funny as I am. I'm delighted. I am grateful to have received this beautiful gift. And I think it's really funny that I chose to do it in my office because obviously I'm going to use it in my kitchen. But we have crackle, crackle, crunch, crunch, all of this noise. Ta-da! Have a little brush, which is great if you are brushing butter or oil on things. This is a great brush to do that. This would also be a great brush to get crumbs out if you have crumbs in there because you're making something. We have this spatula that has a little bit of a scoop to it, and then we have a small spatula with a little bit of a scoop to it, a fabulous beveled edge spatula, and then two scraping spatulas. So a lot of tools, a beautiful set. Basically, you're going to be able to do everything you ever needed to do in your kitchen with this because you have 3 different size pans, all the cooking tools, and it will store much more easily. Because I am not going to lie, there are times in the kitchen where you have to juggle the handles out of the way so you can get the big pot out from underneath because the handles are in the way, or you have to put things up and down as you're trying to get everything in and out because the handles stick out. This is actually, I think, a very smart design. So I like it a lot. And I'm very grateful. Thank you, Chef's Foundry. And I will put a link down below so that you can get one of your own. All right. Thanks for watching.